Welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info. In this video I'm going to show you how to make home screen widgets full screen on iOS 27. So on your home screen you want to long press any empty area to enter this editing mode, and now in the upper left corner of the screen you want to tap here and select Add Widget. So now you want to select an application that supports new layout. For example, let's go with weather, and now you want to swipe through the size options until you reach the final extra large option. So let's press Add Widget, and here you have your extra large full screen widget on your home screen device. So that's how we do it. If this video helped you, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel for more content, and see you in the next one.